Hello, this is Risa from Anjurisa. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make this handmade headband for baby using my fabric flower tutorials. Before we start, consider pressing the subscribe button so you won't miss any update. These are the materials we need to make this headband. I have made a tutorial for this flower. You can click the link here. For this tiny fabric rose, you can watch the tutorial here. For this mini bloomy rose tutorial, you can click here. I bought this piece of fabric, but if you want to make it yourself, you can watch the tutorial here. I made this lace applique using organza fabric and regular sewing machine. You can watch the tutorial here. And we are going to need stamen, a piece of felt fabric, an elastic band, and some tools like hot glue gun and pliers. First, attach these two little flowers together. Next, place this flower next to the little flowers. Cut the stamen using pliers. And put the stamen between these flowers. Attach the lace applique. Attach this piece of fabric. Attach the elastic band. Our baby headband is finished. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this baby headband tutorial, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.